I got the motor in, kind of. We had to do some stuff with the pipes. I did not vlog at all today. I got a lot done. I got the truck moved over there. And this whole thing is empty. And in here, I got, oh, there's one. Got snacks. I've got 3 vending machines that were delivered today. Now, these 3 vending machines are now mine. I bought them. They were driven down from Salt Lake City, so they have a ton of road salt on them, like that. And this one I kind of cleaned, but not really. I cleaned it with Coca-Cola. These are, I checked every single coil. They all work. However, I want to put LEDs in them, and now I know how. I picked these locks because it didn't come with keys for these locks. And I noticed right down here, I believe is a transformer of some sort, maybe ballast. And right here's the wiring diagram, and I can wire in LED lights into this whole thing, and it'll look really cool. I'm gonna have to get new locks for the backs because I'm gonna need to access the back eventually, and I can't close them now. Well, I guess I could. I'm gonna show you guys my picking skills. So I don't have any keys for this. This is unlocked right now, and I actually don't want to lock it closed, but let's lock it closed. I can reopen it. Right there. There we go. Now it's locked. Cool. And to unlock it, I need to have it unlocked to add the LEDs. So I will unlock it real quick. Let's go here. Hopefully I can unlock it as quick as I locked it. There we go. Easy as that. Tell me what you guys think about having just one key for all the machines. Is that a good idea or a bad idea? Like if I lose my key, then it's easier, or like I'll have extras. And I'm actually on my way to work. It is almost 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go to work. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing and clicking that bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.